Ok, dương bắt đầuធ្វើលំហាត់តទៀត 1B B Make questions and short answers Make questions បង្កើតសំណួរប្រយោគសំណួរ questions and short answers ចម្លើយខ្លីជាមួយនឹង a verb to be am is are ដើម្បីបង្កើត question គឺយើងត្រូវដាក់នៅខាងមុខ subject អូខេឧទាហរណ៍ you English យើងដើម្បីបង្កើត question យើងប្រើ verb to be នៅខាងមុខ subject you ជា subject are you English តើអ្នកជាជនជាតិអង់គ្លេសឬ yes I am ចម្លើយខ្លី yes I am បាទខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិអង់គ្លេសបាទត្រូវហើយចាស់ត្រូវហើយចាស់មែនហើយបាទមែនហើយ1 I in room 10 I am I in room 10 តើខ្ញុំនៅបន្ទប់លេខ10ឬ Tick មានន័យថា yes you are Am I in room 10? Yes, you are. It Spanish. It is. Is it? Okay, it is. Is it Spanish? តើវាជារបស់អេស្ប៉ាញឬរបស់អេស្ប៉ាញឬ No ទេមែនទេ No it isn't No it isn't They students They are they students តើពួកគេជាសិស្សឬ Are they students No They aren't ចម្លើយខ្លី No they aren't ទេពួកគេមិនមែនទេ 4 He from the USA He is he from the USA តើគាត់មកពីសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកឬ Yes he is You Mike Bell You are you Mike Bell តើអ្នកជា Mike Bell ឬ No I'm not ទេមិនមែនទេខ្ញុំមិនមែនទេ No I'm not So Are you English? Yes I am Am I in room 10? Yes you are Is it Spanish? No it isn't Are they students? No they aren't Is he from the USA? Yes, he is. Are you Mike Bell? No, I'm not. Okay. ចប់ B ឥឡូវយើងបន្តទៅ